So, who are you?
So, how old are you?
I'm 15.
What type of music you like?
Any kind of music, rap, country music, classical music, pretty much anything.
So I'm queer. That's how I identify.
So why are we interviewing this guy, Shadow? It's all transformation.
Because he wants people to know who he is.
Everyone at one point has a personal story.
I want to cultivate a sense of belonging to the school, like that we actually have like some kind of beacon that brings us together, and that was what the broadcast signal is all about, and that we start to create dialogue and create exchanges and interchanges of belonging and sharing and being together.
What's our vision? Like, what are we about?
Did you come from the South Shore?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty far. I came from the Plateau.
Held up a mirror to how we're living and what we're doing.
Made us take the time to reflect on them too.
Such a wake-up call, you know? Wake up, wake up, wake up.
It's a very huge project for me because I didn't feel welcome here at the school. So basically what we wanted to do was we wanted to spread awareness of what it's like to be queer and living as a queer person and dealing with that sort of thing, as well as the misconceptions, also the good things, right? We also wanted to celebrate everybody's differences and diversity.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
You're standing up for them.
We are.
Yeah.
And would you like to explain your background?
Well, my parents were born in two different areas. Like, my dad was in Jamaica and Mom St. Vincent. I was born in Montreal, though. I live with both of my brothers in a foster home.
It's hard. It's hard. We both suffer from anxiety.
But it's mainly for people who just want to talk and get something off their chest.
What we've experienced in our school culture is like an enormous amount of atomization, like people being separated from one another, unable to come together, both physically, but also how do you get students to come together and to speak and to exchange and to share when you're so restricted, you know, in terms of your physical movement.
A place where these students are connecting and having a positive experience through the school. And part of it, I see this being a great opportunity to showcase our other I Belong projects, our other school projects.
To get a sense of what students in our school are living.
When you're like talking to somebody in person, you can hear the tremble in their voice. Either it's a tremble or just like a worry in their voice, or you could tell by the eyes. Like, you need to pay attention to how people are talking, because that can really like say like a lot about a person.
My name is my identity.
That could be like a really powerful and positive discussion.
Just like that, people who do come to the school feel a little bit more accepted and supported here.
I love that.
Community.
Community.
It's made me grow, like, in maturity. There's trust and relationship as well.
We don't really get to hear students talking about these things. That's the first one. It's rare that you get anywhere that you're going to hear a student
Open up about their feelings.
well, open unless it's a one-on-one conversation, right?
Yes.
Open up about their feelings is one thing, but also really just talk about like what it's like to be them in their life.
I have so much fun creating this project. I am Alex. I am gifted. I am talented, and I am a true friend. But most importantly, I belong.
What else do you have to share about yourself for all the listeners around the world?